Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you where you can find the slant blur. It's actually named differently in CapCut. I use the default layout right here. Go to Effects, open a drop down for video effects. And it's currently under opening and closing. So you need this category, and there you should find something called oblique blur. You have to download it if you haven't done that, so there should be a download icon. In my case, I have the plus button directly, left click on it, it's in your timeline, and you can see it wherever you drag this on top of your footage, it's going to be applied. So make it as long as it needs to be. Blurs for the intensity and rotation for the direction. You can see that right here by default, it's kind of like a top right slant. Once again, it's called oblique blur if you're searching for it in CapCut, and this way you can find it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.